Hello again. Let's talk now to Adrian Potts, CEO of Applied Graphene Materials, who joins us now from Tulsa in Oklahoma in the States. Good day to you. Good to see you, Adrian. You must be very pleased then about this announcement of this mainstream consumer product launch. Do tell us more.
Yeah, thanks, Polly. It's great to be here again and to join you on this channel. So, yeah, we're really pleased, of course, the opportunity to get our product out with mainstream commercial opportunity with Halfords. So what that's all about. So we have been in development of this product for a good while, as we've talked to on a number of occasions. And now, yeah, it's a really big step forward for us as a business. The realization of graphene in real products, as I was saying to a conference in China last week, graphene really works and it's really coming of age, and the opportunity for real consumers to be able to buy a real graphene product off the shelves or online is tremendous. So yeah, it's tremendous for us, and the opportunity for graphene to be, as I say, realized in the real world. Yeah, it's great.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the product itself for the investors who perhaps haven't heard what you've been up to, and indeed a bit more on how significant this is for your company?
Yeah, so we, as you know, we manufacture graphene materials, but the whole approach to our business is all about integrating those materials. They're difficult to use, and integrating them into our chosen area of excellence, which is for us predominantly coatings materials. We've come a long way in terms of that engagement with a number of customers, and yeah, that's the final realization of it. So the product itself is what we call an anti-corrosion primer. So it's a spray paint, basically, that can be used in automotive applications, and it enhances corrosion performance. So if you're spraying your vehicle using this primer, it will actually enhance the performance of the paint that's used, so give it a longer life, and that enhances the underlying structure. So if you're using this primer on your car, you'd expect the paint to last longer, and you expect the anti-corrosion performance of the paint to enhance the life of the thing that you're painting.
And in terms of numbers, Adrian, what are your forecasts, now you've got into Halfords in this way?
Yeah, so we're working with them, obviously, to build our forecast up, and we'll be able to talk to that a bit more clearly as that unfolds. But yeah, this is the first step, getting those products on the shelves. We already primed the pump with them for their initial inventory, and then we'll be able to talk to forecasts as time goes on.
So many investors know James Briggs. For those who don't, explain it for us, and indeed what the news is.
Great, yeah. James Briggs is another paint manufacturer. They're based in the North Manchester area, and we've had a collaboration with them for feels like years. We've been talking about James Briggs for a number of years now, and this product development that we have had ongoing with them. Again, it is for an anti-corrosion paint that again can be used in the commercial industry, and they again have launched a product under their Hi-Coat brand. They did that recently at the trade show called Automechanica, but they've now gone live with that product as well, and in two key conduits. First of all, under their distributor brand Tetrasil. So there's a conduit online and through their distributor called Tetrasil Express, and then also on Amazon. So you can buy this product on Amazon. So again, it's an aerosol primer. It can be used in anti-corrosion applications for extended life of the products that you're painting. So again, just tremendous milestones for us, and tremendous milestones, to be honest, for the graphene industry. Graphene is, it is a difficult material to integrate well into products, and it's what we're all about, that kind of joining end to end of taking a product that is a challenge and actually realizing the remarkable performance that material can achieve when you integrate it properly. So, what we're all about is correct use, appropriate use, and making the absolute best of that product and realizing its remarkable performance.
And three
in this case,
remarkable, it must be said,
coating.
sorry if I might interrupt, three remarkable entries into the market there. But what about demand? What if it outstrips what you have? Can you meet that demand if it goes crazy?
Yeah, we believe we can. I mean, we recently announced our realignment of the business and to refocus on what we call dispersion technology. So we have capacity to manufacture our graphene using our own patented process. But, it's all about how you use the material. So being able to disperse that well, what we call disperse it well, is what it's all about. And yeah, from a capacity standpoint, we're in good shape.
So in terms of other news flows then for Applied Graphene Materials over the next 12 months or so, I suppose you've got enough going on in the deal pipeline, the market pipeline. But what can investors expect to see from you in the coming months?
Yeah, you're right, Polly. There's lots going on. We have a strong pipeline. We in our results recently, we talked to about 100 commercial engagements that are for us real areas of focus. So again, from our realignment activity that we recently announced, we've very much strengthened the opportunity to handhold with those near-term customers, really to do what I call getting them across the line. With product that they can launch, and then we can realize the benefits of those product sales. So, yeah, in terms of things coming along the line, there's plenty going on in coatings. About 77% of everything that we do within that pipeline is in the world of paints and coatings. So for steel and also for aerospace aluminium, we've got some really exciting performance data that is now coming to the fore for the aerospace sector, and then also for composite materials. And we've got some amazing technology. But again, it's all about how to use graphene effectively in that environment to maximize the performance of the materials that you're trying to achieve. I mentioned before as well that we were in China last week, just looking at that whole opportunity. Graphene is huge in China, but again, the kind of roadmap to realize the performance benefits of graphene is a fairly long one and a fairly tortuous one. And we believe we have the keys to enable that technology to be unlocked. So it's a tremendous opportunity. It's early days for us, but there's lots going on. We're recently, just this week actually, we were doing a showcase on one of the buildings on the Wilton site that we're located, to actually demonstrate the performance of a construction material that was recently launched by a company called All Times Coatings.
Well, it sounds like you've got a lot in the pipeline, loads to get on with. Congratulations on the new deals. A tremendous update, Adrian. Until the next time, thank you.
Thanks, Polly. Great to catch you.